Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into tech solutions and troubleshooting. Today, we're tackling a common problem that arises when working with Laravel databases, the case of incorrect results when retrieving participants for a giveaway. The scenario involves a many-to-many relationship between the participants and giveaways tables, using a pivot table participant_giveaway. The issue at hand is that when attempting to fetch participants for a specific giveaway, only a subset of unrelated participants is returned, leading to confusion and frustration. The solution to this dilemma lies in a few key adjustments to your Laravel setup. First and foremost, ensure that your pivot table participant_giveaway is configured correctly, with the appropriate column names matching the defined relationships in your models. Double-checking this alignment can prevent mismatched data retrieval down the line. Additionally, when querying for a giveaway and its associated participants, remember to use eager loading to eagerly fetch the related participants along with the giveaway data. This step can help avoid the randomness in participant selection and provide the accurate information you're seeking. Now, let's focus on a critical part of the solution, the drawableParticipants method in your giveaway model. By modifying this function to correctly filter and retrieve participants based on the drawn status, you can ensure that only eligible participants are returned. Adjust the method to filter participants with drawn status of 0 and eliminate any potential confusion or inaccuracies in participant selection. This targeted approach can streamline your data retrieval process and return the intended participants associated with the giveaway. In summary, by refining the pivot table setup, utilizing eager loading for data retrieval, and optimizing the drawableParticipants method, you can address the issue of incorrect participant results in Laravel Many-to-Many Relationships. Make sure to implement these adjustments in your codebase to enhance the accuracy and efficiency of fetching participants for giveaways. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts. We always appreciate your feedback.